Italian food? Then stay tuned. Today, we're going to be releasing our inner Italian by making top-notch meatballs. At the heart of Italian cooking lies great pasta, great sauces, and great meatballs. And to make a great meatball is super simple. You just need the right meats, the right spices, and the knowledge of how to use them. And I'm going to show you how. So here's what you'll need. Okay, now we have our Italian-style meatball mix ready to go, so all we need to do is to cook them off. Now when it comes to cooking meatballs, I like to take a two-part approach. The first step is to sear them to add caramelization, and the second is to simmer them in sauce to finish cooking them the rest of the way. So let's get to it. Italian-style meatballs so flavorful you'll never want to eat pasta without them again. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below. You'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. If you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.